What's happening, YouTube? Day Ripper 69 here in the home card shop. Got two packages. Let's see what's in them. This first one's from John A. Leonardi, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Yeah, I negotiated this one. We had a crazy high price on it, and after it didn't sell, first time he put it back up for the same price, and towards the end of that auction run, I offered him a price I could live with, and we negotiated a price we could both live with. 2010 National Treasures. That would be Mr. Brian Urlacher, or as Chris from the Hobby Box would say, Brian Urlacher. It's numbered 1 of 25. For the 1-up PC, of course. So that was cool. It showed up at least. Now this next one has a really cool stamp on it. I'll show you guys the stamp. Looks like Joltin' Joe DiMaggio to me. George Washington, cool. But this is from Robert Levine in Conyers, Georgia. Yeah, it's a sports talk guy. It's in a cardboard card casket from hell. Wow. I have to get scissors for this one. Let's see here. How can I do this without cutting what's inside? Because I think I know what this is. There we go. I know what this is. Alright. Yep, that's what it is. Look at how I sent them. From 1966 Topps. Yeah, 1966 Topps. Batman, the TV version, I believe. We've got Undone by an Umbrella. We've got the Joker's Last Laugh, pretty cool, Joker up there. And we've got Batman, about to be boiled. So that's pretty cool, boiling bath. I just thought they were cool for the price. I got them pretty cheap. Thought I'd add some vintage, weird stuff to my collection. From my home card shop, keep buying, keep trying, and try not to take a boiling bath, my thirsty friends.